this is literally me struggling with my new job that I've started yesterday, and I'm sucking at it badly. I mean, the company really requires me to make good PPTs, and somehow I've escaped that situation successfully in life and never had to. So, this is me trying an alternate career with making Maggie, and I'm going to be a YouTuber now. You know, one day when I have a million subscribers, I want to look back on this video and be like, अच्छी कढ़ाई यूज कर लेती बहन, ये क्या है? और थी इधर ही है, बाहर निकली हुई रखी हुई है कढ़ाई, बट नो, यू नो, अच्छा ही है, पुरानी कढ़ाई है. इट ऑल्सो लुक लाइक you know, rags to riches. Also, just to prove that it's not a completely person teaching you how to cook, I have a pan on my arm as a tattoo. So now you can trust me with the lid on it. Or do you want to see a shaky footage of me doing that? There you go. Next footage you'll see some hari mirchi, garlic, onion and capsicum chopped on this. So the veggies are chopped. I've cut them into this sized squares like an export. Sorry. So I'm going to use the same kadai that I used for boiling this Maggi that is now strained. So yeah, big thing, I only like dry Maggi. I am not into soupy Maggies. If you're into soupy Maggi, I think yeah, go to therapy. I'm into dry Maggi, but I also go to therapy. Basically, go to therapy. ओके, लहसुन जा चुका है, उसके बाद मिर्ची डाल दी, उसके बाद I'm gonna put the onion. One second. So the thing is that you don't have to cook everything. Like I don't want to make these onions go soft. You know, soft like. Yeah, then the capsicum went in. This one's a big chunk. You know, sometimes when you cut vegetables and they just don't want to separate into two pieces, these are things that make you believe in love and also annoy you. I don't know if you saw me do it, but I basically ripped them apart. So after almost this much is done, you put the Maggi in. Yes. So put some of this soy sauce and the masala that comes with the Maggi. I'm going to stir it now before it all sticks to the kadai. And I failed in my very first video, just like I failed in making the presentation on the second day of my job. Cheers. Shouldn't do this with a fork, by the way. Pro tip, don't do it with a fork. So what you can do is also add some chili oil to this, which I do have, but I think the chili that made me sneeze so hard is still wanting me to cough while I'm doing this very professional shoot, because the chilies that I put in earlier were very, very strong. I'm not going to put in the chili oil. So I think that is pretty much it. When I said I like dry Maggi, I wasn't joking, you guys. I said you guys like it's not 3 people watching it. I know it's gonna be 3 people, but eventually it's gonna grow to 1 million and you'll see me become rich right here. I can't say right now, but you know. So that's my Maggi. I'm gonna turn this off and turn this YouTube channel on. See, that's the Maggi, and I'm gonna learn about light and angle when I have the money and time for it. Okay, cool. Like, share, subscribe. Please know I want to be rich and I can't make PPTs. So good, but I'm still hungry. You know what they say, that 1 Maggi is never enough and 2 is just too much. True that.